Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Following the excitement of the recent DJI releases, many hobbyists are now bringing attention back to Autel and the promised Nano and Evo Lite product range. My thumbnail and title are focused on the Nano and Nano Plus models, mainly because that's actually what I have pre-ordered myself. Today, I'm going to be giving you an update on not only what Autel stockists here in the UK and US are publicly stating on their pre-order pages, but also the information I have gained from direct conversations with Autel Robotics and dealers worldwide. So stay tuned. First up, let me know in the comments below if you have pre-ordered one of the Nano or Evo Lite drones, if you're considering buying one once they're in good supply, or if the higher price compared to other competing lightweight drones is putting you off. I'd really like to know your thoughts on these new upcoming drones. As many of you will already know, here at Geeksvana, we leaked the first pictures of what looked like an exciting new range of drones from Autel. These included the Nano, Nano Plus and Evo Lite drones, which were then officially announced by Autel on September the 28th of this year. At that point, authorized dealers were giving an estimated delivery of late October, with some quoting early November. Many of these dealers were and are still accepting pre-orders for the drones. In fact, as I told you all in a previous video, I have pre-ordered a Nano Plus premium package. For the current UK drone rules, this drone promises a lot of bang for your buck. To find out my full reasons for pre-ordering that model in particular, check out the video. There is a link in the description. Fast forward through October and now into early November, and we have no sign of the drone ranges hitting the shelves or the pre-orders being delivered. Looking at online stockists, you get a mixed bag of information. Some are stating 5 weeks like Drones Direct at the moment, with others like Clifton Cameras quoting a generic towards the end of 2021, with Park Cameras saying that it could be the end of November. However, if you go a little deeper, and following my conversations with dealers worldwide and contacts around the manufacturer, it seems we could be waiting a good chunk into 2022 before we see either the Nano or Evo Lite series in the hands of consumers. In fact, some dealers in particular have voiced frustrations at the lack of information coming from Autel Robotics. The earliest firm indicator of when stock will enter the UK and US markets, it's looking likely to be at least February 2022. Again, this is an indication taking the information passed to Geeksvana by dealers and insiders, but as it is not an official date, something Autel seem unwilling to provide at the moment, this should not be relied upon too heavily. Autel fans will remember that this isn't the first time Autel failed to follow up on a soft launch with a hard stock. The Evo 2 showed in FCC filings in November 2019, with an official announcement the following January in 2020, with final products in the hands of consumers starting April 2020. We all remember the fanfare at CES when Autel showed the drone to influencers and the public, letting some channels create content on the upcoming product. So it seems that for some reason Autel have again struggled to meet the expectations of the dealers and buyers alike. It would be great to have some clear news directly that we can all bank on. This stock prediction is also supported by an update by the renowned camera and tech supplier B&H Photo and Video, who are now showing predicted delivery times of February 2022 as well. Now, these drones will be coming at some point, and I am very, very excited about seeing them in the skin, as it were, and having a play and just pushing, especially those sub 249 gram nanos, to see exactly what they are capable of up against things like the DJI Mini 2. And it's going to be fantastic to have some more competition around for DJI. Just hopefully we're not waiting too long for them. We will, of course, keep you informed of any more updates we get, be they through the dealer network, Autel, or people having them in their hands, of course. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to get the latest on this and other drone and tech stories. Sean out.